Hello everyone. In the last two videos we have seen how to create the reports using the Drupal views. In those videos we have created this employee report using the Drupal view. In that report we have added these fields, name, email to filter the data. Same way we have added this functionality to perform the bulk operations like as bulk delete and unpublish the data, or they just select here and perform those actions. Now in this video I want to add the one more functionality to sort the data in ascending or the descending orders. For that, if I click on this ID field, it should sort the data in ascending order or the descending order. Same way for the name and the email fields. For that, go to the structure and click on the views. So our view name is employee report. Click on this edit button to edit the view. In the format section, click on this setting link, and here you can select the checkboxes to add the sort functionality. So I will add the sorting functionality for the ID column, name column and the email column, and by default it is set as a ascending order. And click on this apply button to save these changes, and again click on this save button to save the changes in the view. Now go to the report page, refresh this page. Now you can see the hyperlink is added on these columns. Now I will click on this ID column. It will sort the data in the ascending order. Right now the order is the random. You can see the we are getting the result in the ascending order. Same way now I click on it. It will show us the data in the descending order. Now I will click on the name. It will sort the data in the ascending order. And again click on that. It will sort the data in the descending order. Same for the email fields also. So in this way we can add the sorting on the columns of our table. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy it and want to see more like it, consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you will get notified whenever I release the new content. I appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more with you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you as a subscriber soon.